To add or subtract expressions, all I have to do is make sure you have like denominator. So if we have the like denominator, just like adding fractions, it doesn't change. Then all we have to do is add the two numbers, and since they're not like terms, we don't really add them, we just write them. Now this needs to be simplified, so I'm going to factor the top. And when I factor the bottom, or not factor the bottom, but leave the bottom, they have the same, so they can cancel out. So my answer then is just 5. So let's look at other expressions, but we're going to subtraction, like denominators, but we're going to subtract. So I'm going to keep my denominator the same, and I'm going to subtract. So if I take 3m and minus 4m, I'm going to get a negative 1m. If I take a negative 5 and subtract 2, I'm going to get a minus 7. And since that problem has no factors, this would be my answer.